Well, good morning, friends. Welcome to Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah. I am so glad you're here today. I actually have had trouble the last 3 weeks seeing your comments, so I am going to wait for it to pop up on my laptop. So hopefully I can see your guys' comments today. That's what I hope. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. We are going to make... I'm drinking coffee and we're going to make lemonade. That makes no sense. I just realized that. That's like a weird combo. Don't do that. Okay, let's see if on my laptop I can see what's going on here because I want to be able to see your comments. I want to see your comments today. So, all right. And my son is going to plug in my laptop for me because, of course, when I went live, I realized there's 13 minutes left on this laptop of mine. So, I am excited about next week. Are you guys excited for the Sip the Rainbow Challenge? I hope so. If you have questions about it, we're going to talk about it while we go here. And we're going to make lemonade. I'm going to give you my tips. I don't see myself. Oh, there I am. This is great. Okay, hopefully I muted it. All the techie stuff, friends. All the techie stuff. Now, let's see. Yay, okay. See? This is good, friends. I can see you. Hi, Denise. Good morning, Christy. Marcina, Patty. Oh, good. I love this. I wish I could make it bigger, though. Wonder if there's a way. I'm going to try. Is this going to work? I'll see if they pop up again. All right. This looks good. I can sort of see. I feel like I got to click in here. I want to see your comments. I do. Is this going to work better? Okay. We'll see. I might have to mess around with it while we go. But now that I know people are arriving, it's good to see you guys. We're going to make Lily's lemonade. And I feel bad. I begged Lily to come here, but she's turning 12. So we'll just leave it there. She's turning 12 in like 2 weeks. So this is Lily's lemonade from a couple years ago. She came up with this recipe, and so I'm sharing her recipe. We have it all the time. She still makes it. They just did a little lemonade stand in our yard. So if you're in Minnesota and you want to come by, they sell Trim Healthy Mama lemonade in the yard. It's adorable. It's so cute. And for super cheap too, because, you know, they're kids. But, all right, this is easy. She usually makes it in, I'm not going to make it in one of those. It's really gross, you guys. It got like moldy. Don't leave lemonade sitting in one of those containers. What are they called? What are they called? Help me out. Don't leave it in the pour spout ones. They get moldy on the bottom and it's really gross. So I have just a pitcher. You can get one of these. This is a gallon. So this makes a gallon, which is awesome if you have a big family because you're going to go through it like that. And I made some just to do a little taste test because I wanted to give you guys some options, like if you're brand new to Trim Healthy Mama or if you have been on Trim Healthy Mama a while, I want to give you guys a couple options. So I made some and I just put it into a half-gallon glass jar. Now, if you have small kids, be super careful because my kids break things. I don't know about you guys, but my kids break things. So I just put it in here to store it in the fridge, and then they can go pour some lemonade when they want to. The older kids can help the younger kids. All right, so this is so easy. It's going to come together in like 2 seconds. Couple tips. I put ice in it. If you need to make it like a concentrate, then you might want to make a concentrate instead if you're not going to drink it like that day, because otherwise the ice is going to melt and obviously it's going to dilute it. So you're going to have to play with it to your taste buds. So I give you permission to do that. Please, please, please kind of play around with it. As you're making it, take a little sample and see, is it sweet enough for you? Because what's sweet enough for me and what's sweet enough for you might be a little bit different. So I want you to have that freedom to, you know, kind of play with it. So I actually like to do 8 cups of ice in my gallon pitcher, but my ice machine decided not to make ice last night, so this is what I got. I got 4 cups. So normally I would put in 8. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to add my water, which I had my son put this in a jar for me. Isn't he sweet? So this is just a half gallon. We're going to have to top it off with some more. Oh, that looks awesome. And then we're going to add lemon juice. So this is the one I get from Costco. Oh, thank you, Jennifer. She said, I loved your Vange kayak video with you and your dad. So inspiring. Oh, you guys, that was so amazing. Go back and check out that video. I actually share clips because Erin Harrison brought her phone. I didn't bring my phone out there, so I didn't think I would get any pictures for you guys, but she took video and everything, so it was such a cool experience. Okay, so I did a cup of lemon juice. And if you like things super lemony, you can add more lemon juice by all means. Now, here's my tip. Okay, I'm gonna use super sweet. My kids actually really like it with super sweet. You only need 1/4 cup. Now, if you're new to Trim Healthy Mama, or you want a more like exactly traditional lemonade taste, then you can do 3/4 cup to a cup of gentle sweet. But you can see the ratio there. You need a lot more of gentle sweet than you do super sweet. So keep that in mind when you're making it. Like if you're trying to be budget friendly and you guys can handle the super sweet taste, because you guys know, like you have to play around with, you know, super sweet and gentle sweet and kind of tweaking it to your taste. You could also do like a 50/50 ratio if you want to be mindful. But all I'm going to do is stir this in. Good morning, Stacy. I'm trying to peek in on your comments here. Oh, Cindy, you love lemonade. Yes, yes. Hi, is it Anya? I love your name. Good morning, Kay. Good morning, Tanya.
Good morning, Tatum.
Good morning, Tatum. You want to say hi to my friends? You know what? He's here for lemonade. I'm telling you guys, he is here for the lemonade. Okay, so I'm going to sample it because I added 1/2 gallon of water. And do you want to sample it with me? And then we'll see if we want to add more water. Oh, you know what? We need a different cup. Can we do a baby cup? Yeah, here, we got some. We got some color. We're doing Sip the Rainbow, so we might as well, and it's yellow. We should pick a yellow cup, right? So this is a light yellow. This would totally count for yellow day. Yellow day.
For lemons.
For lemons, yeah. I'm going to taste it, and then you can taste it.
River straw.
I like it. That's good. I think I would like it diluted a little bit more for me. And usually I add anywhere from 10 to 14 cups of water-ish. If you add all the ice, you'll need less water. But, oh, he says, He said, Did you hear that? So give this a try. You can add more water to it, then just stir it in. But play around with it and don't be afraid to do that. You can also just do it by the cup, and then you would just need like a couple tablespoons of lemon juice and a couple tablespoons, like start with 1 tablespoon of gentle sweet and add your ice and water and top it off and just stir it. And then if you guys want to get super fancy, you can always add in a couple tablespoons of baobab. I mean, then you get the health benefits. Then it's more like boost juice. I think that's more like boost juice, right? You can always add in a couple tablespoons of that. That's it, you guys. Isn't that easy? And then you have a pitcher full of lemonade for your family, and it's delicious. What's up?
Have 3 jars.
We have 3 jars. He's like, why do we have so much lemonade? You're going to drink it all day long, right? So, you guys have questions about, yes, yellow day, Cindy, that's right. Do you want to come say hi to my friends? Come here. So, every day next week, you guys, I'm going to be hanging out with you. So, I hope you like hanging out with me. Come here. Come say hi.
Lemonade, please, Mom.
More lemonade? Oh, look, he drank that, all gone. There's a testimony right there. So, if you guys,
Stop.
woo! I'm getting distracted. Here you go, buddy. Oh, I think you want some too, don't you? Let's put some in a sippy cup. Okay, if you guys want to, we're going to put in a sippy cup for the lady. If you guys want to make your own drinks next week, like I had sent out those suggestions, if you have drinks you want to make that you already know of, please by all means do. I want to see what your creative ideas are, and it'll inspire me too. So my niece Acacia, I have to tell you guys this one because I saw she had messaged me last night, and she's like, oh, for your Sip the Rainbow challenge, can I use goji berry powder? And I was like, yeah, You can. So I guess goji berry powder is orange. So if you guys want to pick some up from Walmart or something this weekend, you guys could do that. Some other ideas, just super easy. Baobab and okay, brain. Beetroot powder are both in that red, red tone. So you could do that. Orange, the goji berry is a really great option. Or we're gonna do the Hello Health sipper next week. And if you just use an orange pepper, like I mentioned in the Sip the Rainbow, oh, don't let her go on that. I don't want her to trip. Okay. As I mentioned in the blog post, it will turn it that like orange color. And then also yellow for turmeric. So that's an easy one. You can add just a little bit of turmeric, goes a long way. And then green, there's the Dynamic Duo. And if you can't get your hands on Dynamic Duo, totally okay. You can totally Amazon Prime some moringa and spirulina, and it's in that blog post. If you click on those, you can mix them just like Dynamic Duo. And then you guys will have that for all the things. Like I add it to so many things. I add it to my quinoa, I add it to my oatmeal. I have added it to muffin in a mug. I have a video on that, go check it out. Like I called it all the green things. Look up Array of Hope, all the green things, and you'll see. I literally added it to all the green things to make things green. And then, blue and purple. Really easy, you guys. If you can't get, you still have time. You have 2 weeks to complete this entire challenge. And so, he wants more. You have 2 weeks to complete this challenge. So if you want to order the Epicure Blue Butterfly Tea, which, is it right there? Will you grab it? I want to show it to them. If you want to order that, you have time to get that in before the challenge is over. Otherwise, you can go to Target, Walmart, and you can order you can get, what is it called? You want to get one that has the pea flower in it. The pea flower is what gives it that blue, purpley color. So that's the one you want to get. Okay, 1 second. I'm going to grab it so I can show you. Why is the dog crying? You guys know when I go live, the dog's got to cry too. Okay, I'm getting it. Here it is. Okay. This is probably my favorite because of the chemical reaction, and I'm such a nerd. I'm married to an engineer, and so chemical reactions, I have to have an appreciation for them, but this is such a fun drink. I mean, it really does this, and it really does turn purpley blue. So just for that, this is worth buying this just for that experience. Okay. Oh, I will link the ingredients to Lily's. Oh, hey, let's settle down, okay, buddy? I will link the ingredients, I will link the blog post for you guys as well as Lily's lemonade so you guys can go make that. Tell me what you think when you make it. I'm excited to hear what you say. And let's see, can I use blue raspberry or acai? Is that how you say it? Am I saying it right? For the true lemon. Yes, absolutely yes you can. And just the goal is to get the color of the day. I went to the health food store for some spirulina. That is so awesome, Tanya. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, Green Day is worrying me. Oh my goodness. You crack me up, Cindy. Okay, Cindy, have you made the earth milk? It's really good. And that's another thing. You guys can use spinach. Spinach will color things green. So you could use just spinach. You want more? Somebody's going to use the restroom later. Just saying. I keep giving you ice. You don't need more ice. That's the problem. You got like a whole thing of ice. Okay, let's see. Green Day, don't worry. Don't worry about Green Day. It's going to be green. It's going to be fun. It's going to be great. Let's see. Oh, Jennifer, thank you. I know every day next week I'm going to go live at 11. So I will see you guys in Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah here. You are in the right place for the live. And then all you guys are going to do is after I go live, you're going to post yours. But you have 2 weeks to complete it. You don't have to complete it like that moment, that day, if you don't want to. But if you do, awesome. Also, bonus challenge. You guys like bonus challenges, right? If you post a picture of you with your drink, that helps me to connect to you. So just like you're seeing my face, I want to see your face. So I'm going to challenge you, even if that's out of your comfort zone. Do you want to go grab her? Do you want to grab her? I want to challenge you. I'm going to get my daughter. 1 second. Let me grab her. What's wrong? Where's she at? Oh, I see. Okay. She wanted her lemonade, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna challenge you to take a picture of you and your beautiful face so we can connect, and I wanna see who you are, who is doing this challenge with me. So that is my challenge for you, and you can do it even if you don't like taking pictures and selfies. I don't either, but I do it so you can connect with me. So just gonna give you that tip. All right, let's see. Does anybody else have any questions before I let you guys go for the day? And I will see you.
Bye.
I will see you every day next week. We're gonna have a fun week. Okay. Oh, Sarah, I drink a half gallon of parrot punch each day. Oh my goodness. Does the dye count? Yes. I'm okay with that one. As long as you're using a natural one. Let's see if I have it to show you guys. I don't have it, I don't think. Of course. See, I have kids, you guys. My kids get into my stuff. So, okay. Yes, you can use the natural. It's like Watkins Natural. If you want to use those to dye it, because that's what Rashida uses, that's also okay. Totally allowed. And let's see. I will get you the link, Jennifer, for the tea. And let's see. Greens and drinks scare you, Cindy. That's so funny. Earth milk is really good. Christy, yes, so good. Okay. Do we post what the drink is and a picture? Okay, I explained that one already, so hopefully you got that, Dina. And I don't know why this is so tiny on my screen, but your guys' comments are ultra small. But at least I can see them. Yes, Trim Healthy Future, tons and tons of options. Okay, can you make a simple syrup? All right, we're having a meltdown over here. What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, are you giving her some ice cream? So my kids made some ice cream. Hey, do you want to pick her up? This is real life. This is real life, you guys. I'm just being honest. She's upset because Sissy made some chocolate ice cream, Coach Becky's ice cream, and then they have ice cream cone, and she wants all of it right now. Okay, can you make a simple syrup to add the sweetener, or does the sugar dissolve well? In the lemonade, Denise, it just dissolves. It's totally fine. You don't have to do anything. It'll just dissolve in here. So yes. Okay. Haha. All right. Oh, Jennifer, you're so nice. Okay. All right. That's it, you guys. I got to go. There's like crazy going on here. It's just reality, right? Crazy all the time. So I hope that was helpful. I will see you guys on Monday for Sip the Rainbow, and we're going to have so much fun next week. So see you there. All right. Have a great day. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell if you're on YouTube, and come on over to Simply Cookin' and join us. All right. We'll see you guys. Bye-bye.